Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Before us is a beautiful rational equation, difference of two cubes, and then we have to solve for all the possible values of x. Let's see how this can be done. Let's get started. So we have a solution, and then I bring down the question, which is x squared plus x all over x squared plus 3 cubed minus x minus 3 all over x squared plus 3 cubed equal to 1. So what I'm going to do is to say let a equal to x squared plus x all over x squared plus 3, and then b will be equal to x minus 3 all over x squared plus 3. Now, if this is agreed, we agree on this, this equation becomes a cubed minus b cubed equal to 1. And then we're going to use the algebraic identity for difference of two cubes, and that will be a minus b times a squared plus ab plus b squared equal to 1. So the goal here will now be to solve for a minus b. So we simplify a minus b. So once we are going to deal with a minus b, of course, a minus b will be equal to s squared plus x all over s squared plus 3 minus x minus 3 all over s squared plus 3. And since we can see here that the denominators are the same, so we are going to have a minus b equal to common denominator of x squared plus 3, and then we are going to have a denominator x squared plus x minus 3. Right, so we have x squared plus x minus x plus 3 all over x squared plus 3. So this and this will cancel out. So we are going to have x squared plus 3 all over x squared plus 3. Therefore, a minus b will be equal to 1 once this is divided. So we also go ahead and simplify a squared plus ab plus b squared, and this will give us a squared will be s squared plus x all over s squared plus 3 squared plus x minus 3, ab, that will be s squared plus x over s squared plus 3 times x minus 3 over x squared plus 3 plus x minus 3 over x squared plus 3 all squared. Alright, so once this is done, we now go ahead and further simplify the whole thing. So this becomes, so this one will give us s squared plus x squared all over x squared plus 3 all squared plus s squared plus x times x minus 3 all over s squared plus 3 all squared. Then finally we are going to get x minus 3 squared all over x squared plus 3 all squared. Okay, so for this, to further simplify that, we are going to have from here, we have, so once this is expanded, we are going to have x to the power of 4 plus 2x cubed plus x squared. Alright, so once we expand this, we will get x cubed minus 3x squared plus x squared minus 3x. And then for that, we are going to get x squared minus 6x plus 9 all over x squared plus 3 all squared. Alright, so I'm going to erase all of this so we can have space. So from here now we're going to have x to the power 4 plus 3x cubed, okay, 3x cubed plus 3x squared minus 3x squared, alright, then we have minus 3x minus 6x plus 9 all over, we have x to the power 4 plus 6x squared plus 9. Right. So we can get this as simplified, 3x squared minus 3x squared. So we have x to the power 4 plus 3x cubed minus 9x plus 9 all over x to the power 4 plus 6x squared plus 9. So that is for a squared plus ab plus b squared. So now let's put everything together. We have that a minus b times a squared plus ab plus b squared all equal to 1. And then a minus b is 1. Alright? And the whole of this will be x to the power 4 plus 3x cubed minus 9x plus 9 all over x to the power 4 plus 6x squared plus 9 all equal to 1. So once we cross multiply, so we're going to have x to the power 4 plus 3x cubed minus 9x plus 9 equal to x to the power 4 plus 6x squared plus 9. So this and this will undo each other, and this will undo each other. So we have 3x cubed, right? Okay, let me move over to the next side of the board. So we have 3x cubed plus minus 6x squared minus 9x, okay, equal to 0 now. Yes, everything will be equal to 0. Alright, everything will be equal to 0. So now we're going to have, we divide through by 3, we're going to get divided by 3, divided by 3, divided by 3. And this divided by 3. So we'll have x cubed minus 2x squared minus 3x equal to 0. So x is common. X into x squared minus 2x minus 3 equal to 0. So this will give us x equal to 0 or x squared minus 2x minus 3 equal to 0. So let's solve this now. X squared minus 2x minus 3 equal to 0. So that will give us x squared minus 3x plus x minus 3 equal to 0. So we have x brackets. Once we group and factorize, we have x minus x into x minus 3 plus 1 into x minus 3 equal to 0. So x plus 1 times x minus 3 equal to 0. So we have here, so we are going to have here x plus 1 equal to 0 or x minus 3 equal to 0. So at the end of the day, we are going to be having 3 values for x. Okay, we're going to be having 3 values for x. So x will be equal to minus 1 or x can check this out. You can check this out for x squared plus x all over x squared plus 3 cubed minus x minus 3 all over x squared plus 3 equal to cubed equal to 1. So when x is equal to 0, when x equal to 0, the whole of this will go to 0, okay, minus 0 minus 3 all over 0 plus 3 all cubed equal to 1. So the whole of this is 0. So we have minus 3 all over 3 cubed, alright, equal to 1. Okay, so let's see. I'm just trying to check it. So we have minus 3 over 3 cubed equal to 1. So this will be minus 1 cubed equal to 1. So we have minus 1 equal to 1. Then we have 1 equal to 1. So that's for x equal to 0. For when x equal to minus 1, so we have the expression become, the equation becomes minus 1 squared plus minus 1 all over minus 1 squared plus 3 all cubed plus minus 1 minus 3 all over 1 plus 3 cubed equal to 1. Alright, so let's get done with that. So this will give us 1 minus 1 all over 1 plus 3 all cubed minus 4 over 4 all cubed equal to 1. The whole of this will go to 0, right? And then we are going to have the whole of this will go to 0, and we're going to have minus 1 cubed equal to 1, minus times minus 1 equal to 1. Of course, minus times minus is plus, and equal to 1. So that's for x equals minus 1. So let's see for x equal to 3. When x equal to 3, the whole of the equation becomes 9 plus, you have 9 plus 3 all over 9 plus 3 all over 9 plus 3 cubed minus, 3 minus 3 all over 3 plus 3, 9 plus 3 rather, cube equal to 1. I hope that is clear. So this will give us 12 over 12 cubed minus 0 over 12 cubed equal to 1. So this will give us 1 cubed minus 0 cubed equal to 1. So this will go to 0. So you have 1 cubed is equal to 1. So you can see that everything checks out. And so we've come to the end of the class. I'll see you in my next video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and of course subscribe if you've not done so. And I will see you in my next video. Thank you.